Come with me to create liquid nails. I'm gonna be using long stiletto nails for today's video and applying a layer of top coat on top of wax paper. Then I'm going to apply the nail tip on top and applying the nail on top of the uncured top coat and leaving enough space for the nails to be able to apply them onto my natural nails. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and that will be the initial wall of my nail tank. Once I have the nail fully cured, I'm removing it slowly from the wax paper so I don't get any paper transfer onto the nail. And next I'm going to reinforce the whole backing with builder gel, and I'm going to be using this builder gel from Born Pretty and curing it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to be finishing the rest of the nails, and I'm going to be using this semi-solid gel from Born Pretty. This gel is non-wipe, meaning that it doesn't have any sticky layer. And later I'm going to be reinforcing it again with the builder gel. Now I'm just going to make sure that the nails have enough space from the nail tank for the space that I need to apply them onto my natural nails later on. And that's what I'm doing here, and scratching with a nail file, like marking it where the nail tank is going to start and where my natural nail is gonna be fitting. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to create the initial wall like I said before with this gel, and then I'm gonna be curing it for 60 seconds. I'm flash curing with my portable UV lamp just to make sure that nothing is going to move, and then I fully cure the nails under my bigger lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm removing the nails slowly from the wax paper to make sure I don't have any residue of paper transfer onto the gel. I do have a small piece here, but it came off very easy. I'm cutting the nails with a small scissor just to separate them. And then I'm going to reinforce everything with another layer of the builder gel. And next, another layer of top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Now that I have the nails all cured, I'm going to reshape and file the extra excess. So I'm using my dust collector and my portable nail drill. This is going to make everything easier and faster. But you can use a regular file for this step as well. At least I'm removing the bigger pieces with a nail drill, and then I'm gonna do the fine tuning with a regular nail file. Next, I'm going to fill the nail tanks with baby oil, and I decided to put some Q-stars inside the nail tank. Later on, I regretted it because it was too big and nothing was moving. I think the baby oil is really thick as well. Before, I used to have a thinner cuticle oil that I use for liquid nails, and it was better. And this is where my regret start to feel stronger here, but I was already committed to do these nails, so I decided to finish filming and finish just the whole process to show you guys. But just to tell you right now, the liquid nails are not really moving that much, to be honest. But yes, I will have to redo this in the future again with a thinner oil for sure. Once I apply all the decoration inside the nail tank, I have to seal the backing, and for some of the nails I use a little piece of gel and I place it on the back of the nail and seal it with the gel. And for the other nails I just apply directly the gel and I flash cure it very fast, so everything was nice and sealed. The nail is sealed, and now I'm gonna have to file the extra pieces that are sticking out from the closing part of the tank. And this is what I'm doing here. And I'm gonna be doing this for all the nails, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, here are the nails. They're all filed and sealed. And next I'm going to apply a layer of base gel and cure that for 60 seconds. As well, I'm applying a coat of top coat underneath just to make sure that everything is nice and clear. Today I'm going to be creating some Frenchies with this beautiful pink from Naimeili, and it's going to be on the bottom part, and then on the rest of the nail I'm going to be applying this beautiful cat eye gel polish from Born Pretty. Here are all the Frenchies done. These are reverse Frenchies. And next I'm going to apply 2 coats of the cat eye gel polish. I wasn't sure if I wanted to leave the tip clear, but I end up leaving a thin layer of the cat eye. It's still semi-transparent but not completely transparent, but it still looks nice to me. I'm going to be curing each layer for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply top coat, cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to place some cute decoration on the nails, and I will show you the final results. Here are the final results for today. These are how the nails are looking from underneath, not too bad. And this is how the nails are looking from the top, yeah. So the nails come out really cute. The nail tank is not moving at all, but this is what it is. Sometimes you fail, sometimes you win. That's life, right? It's just a lesson learned for the next nails I'll do. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.